Hi guys, today we are having seafoods boil in garlic and butter sauce. So we have crabs, king prawns, we also have normal prawns over here, and so this is a king prawn, and then we do have clams and we also have sweet corn, and then this nice buttery sauce, buttery and garlicky sauce. This one looks yummy. And we also have pineapple. I'm gonna start with the pineapple. We're gonna eat today, guys. This is really sweet, babe. So we're gonna start eating our seafood. I'm gonna need a bigger plate. I have a bigger plate here. So I'll move this one. So a bigger plate to put my dirty things. Okay. All right, we'll start with my favorite, the prawns. This is yummy, guys. I'm gonna get some of the sauce. Okay, I know what to do now. I'm gonna put the sauce here. Yes. Yum yum. I'm gonna put the sauce here. And eat. It's really nice. The seasoning is perfect, guys. It's very good. Thank you, babe. You're not eating? You wanna eat with me? Handsome. Please eat. You can get your plate. So, no rice, guys. No rice. Really yummy. The clams. What do you call this? Clam or clams?
Well, more than one clams. One
So,
clam.
clam,
Clams.
clams. Okay. Really good. One more. So the flavor of this one is I can't describe it.
What, the clams?
It's like sea.
Well, I guess it's meant to taste a bit like the sea.
But the sweetness of the, I think it's, the sauce has the mixture of sweetness and a bit salty. So I would say savory.
Wait, it's a savory dish. It's not a dessert, so it's a savory dish.
Okay. So with this crab, I get the well, the clams is nice. Sorry. My lips, is it, my lipstick is still still on.
It's gone.
It's gone.
I'm joking.
Okay. This is how it is when you're eating. I'll get you plate, yeah? So, what they are? Oh yeah, there. You can sit beside me, no? Come, let's eat. Let's eat.
I shouldn't have eaten the pineapple.
The pineapple is really nice. It's really sweet.
It affects my taste bud.
Sorry guys, my hair is bothering me. But I'm using my other finger, the clean fingers, to brush my hair.
There's lipstick on your chin.
Can you clean it, please?
Where's the tissue?
There's a tissue in oh, I took my bag out upstairs. There's a tissue in Paris bag for sure. How come the lipstick becomes messy?
It's not meant to stay, does it?
This is a crab. So let's eat the crab, guys. You know already that this crab is quite tricky to eat. Did you cook this one individually? The seafood? Because they are so tasty. They taste different. Oh, yeah. They should taste different. Is it? Yeah, it seems like you cook it in a different sauces. Huh?
It's just here.
It's gone.
Just
Hmm?
yeah.
Okay. At least this crab is quite soft. It's easy to.
Give it like 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Well, not even that, not 10 minutes, maybe less than that.
Oh. Really yummy.
Mind your elbows.
Hmm?
I said, mind your top.
Oh, see. To be honest with you, it's like it's been a long time that I haven't eaten seafoods. The last time it was a little bit of crab, but I didn't eat some of the prawns. When is that? Christmas. Oh, New Year, isn't it? Yeah, it's been a while. Like 3 months ago. Do you like seafoods?
I do.
I actually prefer, if you ask me chicken or seafoods, I will go for seafoods.
I only would go for chicken because less cholesterol.
I don't. I would. I would like to have other types of meat as well. Yeah, the seafoods, we cannot have it all the time. It's like this one, we know.
Well, crabs,
Mm.
the crustaceans. It's not that. Shouldn't be eating it that often.
But we can have it from now and then. Thank you. So guys, you eat with us. This is really good. How long, what age are you, baby, when you started to cook seafoods? Because it seems like you know what to do with the seafood, you know.
The age has nothing to do with it.
Oh, pardon. So at the age, so meaning how many years you've been cooking this? Did you learn
Just
from
think
your mom or your dad?
once- Once you understand how to cook and you understand flavors, you'll be able to cook everything.
I see.
I think it's about understanding flavors and how different ingredients worked with different types of meat or fish.
But it seems like this one, yeah? This one is different type of seafoods. But it seems like you know how to cook it properly. Like minutes of everything.
Well, like the clams, and they don't take very long. At minutes. A few of them weren't good, so I had to chuck them away
I see.
because they were open already.
Oh,
If you buy them and they're open, you shouldn't use them.
all right.
But they don't take long to cook, maybe like 5 minutes.
And then the prawns.
I
Did you
think prawns are equally,
5 minutes?
they don't take very long, depending on the size, to be honest. But what I did with the crab, I cooked it down in basically some seasoning, like simmer it down so that the flavor can get infused. But I used,
Just like making seafood stocks.
well, I used like the heads and stuff for the
Oh yeah, because
for
the
the
heads is the
sauce,
same.
to make a stock for the sauce.
Perfect. You can actually sell this one, baby, no? I told you I'm gonna. I'm very tired. I'm very tired.
Well, when I retire, I should go and
No, I'm not saying that you're gonna cook.
Restaurant duty is it's a difficult job.
No, I mean, doesn't need to be in the UK. We can you don't need to do it. You just need to train someone
But
to
when you're
cook.
just starting a business,
Why not?
you need to be hands-on.
Oh yeah. You can start and you can cook initially. True, that's true anyway. Oh guys, it's really yummy. I'm lucky that you can cook these things or else If I'm the one gonna cook this one, well, I'm not going to cook it. I'm gonna eat it outside now. How many minutes that one now, babe?
What's that?
The video.
20 plus.
Huh?
20 plus.
I could stop it. Okay, guys. See you in my next video. And bye for now.